Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by stopping the restore before it begins. Turn off Google Drive or iCloud backups for WhatsApp, then enable airplane mode so the app can't fetch media. Next, open your file manager and locate any local WhatsApp backups. Rename or move the latest MSG store. DB. Crypt file so WhatsApp can't detect it. Once done, reopen WhatsApp and skip the restore prompt. This forces a fresh install without pulling media automatically. Now you control where media can come from and why. Revoke storage permission for WhatsApp in system settings to prevent automatic media writing, then delete or move the WhatsApp/media folder so old photos and videos are unavailable. If you need some files, copy just specific items to a safe folder elsewhere. Make sure to re-enable permission only after confirming the restore is skipped. This prevents mass restores, while allowing target to finish. Turn off airplane mode and confirm you selected skip on the restore screen so WhatsApp proceeds without media. Manually add any required files later by copying them into chat folders or reassigning permissions when ready. If you still see media being restored, clear the app cache and data, uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp, and ensure no cloud backup is active. That usually resolves persistent restores. If problems persist, check for multiple backup accounts or duplicate backup files that need removal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.